What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I started a project that is too much for one day. So, I'm taking a break. And we're taking a look at a few things you might see on the shelf. Because this has been sitting in my to-do pile for about a week or so. I went to Five Below and found this. New Zoe dolls for $5. These are the dolls that we use to give our Chelsea dolls articulation. See, when I first got them, they came with skateboards, scooters, and bikes. But these two come with lockers. This doll comes with a locker and a basketball, and this one comes with a locker and a soccer ball. The locker stands a little over 4.5 inches, so if you wanted to stack them, we can totally use them with our taller dolls. Do they open? They look like they open. They do! The doors are doubled, giving us 4 little cavities. We could even line them up for little dollhouse storage. The mini dolls come with their hair styled in braids, wearing a little varsity jacket that is finished all the way around. The jacket is removable, and the outfit underneath is one piece. This doll's top does have raw edges at the neckline. The outfit has Velcro in the back, it's pretty thick, and wears white plastic shoes. The other doll comes with an outfit that we have seen before, however the top is hemmed, but it is still all one piece and Velcros in the back. This new doll has a different skin tone than the first one we bought. It's a little more tan. However, these two seem to be about the same. It's not a perfect match, but when has that ever stopped me? I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then in a cup of hot water. Oh, but that's right. It's not difficult. I forgot I can swap heads on these dolls without needing hot water. And now we have 2 new articulated Chelsea dolls. Our little hybrids are about the same size as a Chelsea doll, have more articulation than the Chelsea dolls that can ride horses, because these dolls have joints at the elbows and wrist. And they can still fit some Chelsea clothes. See, I think the bodies can be used on any Chelsea doll with a similar skin tone. My Five Below restocked their BTS dolls. I picked up Jungkook for $5 because this suit is probably one of my favorites. Now this is an articulated doll, so if you're looking for a gift, this could be an option. He has rooted hair, he can move at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. Some of the other dolls' suits are joined together. However, on this doll, all the pieces are separate, except for the belt. It's sewn on. When compared to a Ken doll, the BTS doll is shorter and has a larger head. But a classic Barbie could rock the suit. And at $5, that's like the price of a fashion pack. Disney Doorables villains? Yeah, this was also $5. And I think there's only one Doorable inside, but it fits in a stocking. On the back, we can see all the different villains. Is that Maleficent? Yes. Let's see which one we have. Please be Maleficent. It's Ursula. That might be a code, C01179. I don't know, I didn't check the list. But there is a collector's guide, and you can use a black light to see it in a black light, but I don't have one, so. Five Below also had the Disney Doorables Countdown to Christmas pack for $5, and we're getting 5 figures. It says it's from Series 6, and I think I had this one last year, but I am pretty certain I paid more than $5. There's a collector's guide showing all the different figures, including the special edition jeweled princesses. And there's more on the back. So even though I already opened one, we could get different figures. So we're doing it. It's the ultra rare Sisu. We are opening this whole thing. You know I can't wait. Behind door number 4, we have rare TikTok croc. On day 3, we have Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. And he's fuzzy. With just 2 days to go, we get Snow White. And on the last day, we have Flounder, which is a double for me. The code on the bottom of this box is A14. I found Briar Sea Hearts in the store for $5. These figures are made with 100% recycled materials. This is wave 1. We can see all the different sea hearts to collect on the side. This is Cove, a seahorse. They come with a trading card with seahorse facts on the back. They come with a stand and a little seahorse figure. It has a little shimmer to it. Love the little face. And we just use a little icy cold water to reveal a secret. And our seahorse can be displayed on the stand. I just noticed that Cove totally blends in with the backdrop. Knee-high socks for $2 with fun little holiday prints. This is a lot of sock. We can make some cute little doll sweaters and maybe some matching leggings. We have a tutorial for the sweater in this Fun Finds video. It's that one right there. I'm gonna try to make this one while watching some holiday rom-coms later. Squishville Squishmallows for $3.25. It's totally a stocking stuffer. I like these because they are great plushies for dolls. And this is a little cheetah. Yeah, perfectly doll-sized. Yes! I finally found the Teeny Tiny's Teeny Retro Refrigerator. It was $5, comes with 16 pieces and 15 food items. The doors open and close. It's a short fridge when compared to our dolls, but if they are living in a small space, then this could work. It measures around 6.5 inches tall, about 2.25 inches deep, and around 4.25 inches wide. I like the design, I like the retro vibe, I like the silver handles, and that it opens. However, the bottom does bevel a little, but there are shelves on the sides and a little drawer at the bottom. But I don't think these will fit our 1/6 scale dollhouse. There are a couple of boxes and plastic food items with stickers. And they have a little retro vibe. But I also found a full capsule of Mini Brands Series 4 at Five Below for $5. It can fit in a stocking. Oh yeah, I forgot this one had wedges. Our first one is a safe. I'm actually happy to find this because I have an idea and I've been trying to collect these. So yay! And yes, they do open. Let's see, what is this? Hot sauce. Can it fit in our retro fridge? No. Let's try another one. Wet Ones hand sanitizer. Well, these don't go in the fridge. And this is Juicy Juice. Fun, but it doesn't fit in our little fridge that way. What about this way? Yeah, we could just do that. Can the door still close? Yeah. And the last one is candy and money. I stopped by Walmart and found these cute little ornaments for $2.48. I think we can use them as dollhouse decor. They have a pine cone and greenery glued inside. It looks like it's just hot glued, so if you want to remove it, you probably could. But I think we can easily place these on a mantle or on a table in the dollhouse. I picked up a small tree for $3.97. It could make a cute little Christmas tree for the house. There were little balloon animal ornaments. I feel like this is something the dolls could rock all year round. Put it on a table or a bookcase for a little splash of color and fun. And I bought a jukebox. It does play songs when you push the buttons, and these are like real songs. And it lights up. There's a volume control right here, and it looks pretty good for 1/6 scale. Totally going in the dollhouse. And then there was Target, where I picked up the Disney 100 Retro Reimagined Ariel. Made by Mattel, This doll was $29.99. The box has a little bow, totally giving that holiday vibe. And on the back, there is some info about Ariel. Check that out. She's articulated and not pixelated. Stella, you in danger, girl. When compared to my other Ariel that I put on a curvy made-to-move Barbie body, the retro Ariel is looking to the side and her eyes are a different shade of blue. Her bangs are cut and sewn on the side, giving her that little Ariel swoop. She has a large bow in her hair, but it's sewn on. If I take down her hair, I have to figure out how to reattach it. Her outfit is 3 parts. There's a faux leather top, a satin blouse with puff sleeves, a skirt with a ruffle and a ribbon at the bottom. Oh, and there's a layered tulle underskirt with lace at the bottom. And they're all separate. And she comes with heels with a little rope detail. And the heels almost fit a curvy. This doll has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, there you go, see, hip, and knee. And her clothes are an easy fit on a classic made-to-move Barbie. Seriously, on my doll, it's like a perfect fit. Disney Illy Forever also has a Disney 100 Retro Reimagined I Love Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse doll. We're getting 10 plus pieces that we can mix and match. This doll is by Jakks Pacific, only at Target, with a suggested retail price of $29.99. She has painted brown eyes, glitter eyeshadow, dimples, long brown hair with a center part. She has articulation at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. This doll comes wearing a pink and red overall dress with a small split and a little Mickey logo. It has black ribbon straps and gold buckles. The pattern goes all the way around and it velcros in the back. Paired with a long sleeve turtleneck with a Mickey and Minnie graphic, white socks, and white and black shoes. The shirt is cropped. We can switch out the dress for a pair of bootcut pants with stitched details, stripes, and a Mickey at the bottom. There are red and black boots, a black plastic beanie with real pom-poms, a cute little black and white backpack with a red bow. It has a small opening at the top, and the print goes all the way around. There's even a little Illy Forever logo in the back. There's a cup with little ears, and a pink Mickey and Minnie cell phone with Goofy on the call. This doll also comes with a hoodie with a graphic of Mickey on the front. Oh, and a ring. But now we gotta know, does the fit fit? The cropped turtleneck is an easy fit on a classic Barbie. The overall dress also fits, and we can get away with the backpack, cup, and cell phone. I think the beanie's a little large, but you can probably make it work. Loving the pants! I think they almost fit better on a Barbie than the Illy Forever doll. And the hoodie fits too. I cannot get the pants on my curvy Barbie or the dress, but the pink turtleneck is a yes, as well as the hoodie. But these items are totally my favorite. Our bestie Charlotte wanted to know if we could make National Geographic inspired mini books. So I gave it a try. We have detailed instructions on how to make our mini books in our DIY Uggs slippers for less than $5 video. But I made these a little thinner, and I'm hoping that we can use craft foam instead of foam board. So let's put them together just like we normally do. The inside pages have a matching picture. I glue the foam template onto craft foam. If you don't want to use craft foam, you could always use layers of cardstock or poster board. I use leftover packaging to make the inside of the hard cover. Add the craft foam and the 2 pages. My craft foam is a little thinner than the spine, but I think it might work. Yeah, it totally does. Here it is next to one of our standard books so you can see the size difference. And now we have 3 new mini books we can add to our doll libraries. Our mini books are available to download for free at our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few things that are on the shelf this holiday season. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.